Hi, and welcome to Tap Tech. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting drone releases of the year. It's small, fast, immersive, and packed with new features. This is the DJI Avata 2. DJI has taken everything we loved about the first Avata and made it even better. From flight performance to camera quality, stability, and smart modes, this is the FPV drone that makes flying feel real. Let's break it all down. The Avata 2 keeps the same idea as the original. It's a compact, rugged FPV drone that gives you a thrilling first-person flying experience. But now it's lighter, smoother, and more powerful. It still has built-in propeller guards, so it's safe to fly indoors or in tight spaces. It's great for beginners, but also powerful enough for serious drone pilots. The design hasn't changed a lot, but you'll notice a more polished and aerodynamic look. It's built for speed and agility, but also to survive crashes. The body is made from durable materials, and it can bounce back from small bumps without damage. The weight has been reduced, making it easier to control and more stable in the air. The Avata 2 uses DJI's new O4 video transmission system. This is a big step forward. It gives you ultra-low latency, a stronger signal, and better range. The video feed to your goggles is sharp and fast, with almost no delay. It feels like you're really in the cockpit. The transmission works up to 13 kilometers under ideal conditions, which is more than enough for most use cases. And even in tougher environments, with trees or buildings, the connection stays strong. Speaking of goggles, the Avata 2 comes with the new DJI Goggles 3. These are more comfortable, lighter, and come with better displays. You get full HD visuals with high frame rates and sharp colors. The screens inside look bright, clean, and fluid. It makes the flight feel more immersive than ever. You also get head tracking, which means the drone can respond to your head movements. Look left, and the drone turns left. It's an incredible feeling. You can fly the Avata 2 with the DJI RC Motion 3 controller. This controller gives you natural control with your hand. You move your wrist, and the drone follows. You press the trigger to accelerate, tilt your wrist to turn, and use buttons for flips or quick stops. It's very intuitive. Even if you've never flown an FPV drone before, you can learn quickly. It's one of the easiest ways to enjoy FPV without going through complicated setup. For those who want more control, you can still use the traditional FPV remote controller 3. This gives you full manual flight modes, letting you do flips, rolls, dives, and more. It's great for experienced FPV pilots who want to push the limits. DJI gives you the best of both worlds, fun and simple for new users, and advanced options for pros. The camera on the Avata 2 is a major upgrade. It now features a 1/1.3-inch sensor. This is bigger than the one in the first Avata. It captures more light, more detail, and better dynamic range. You can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second, 2.7K at 100 frames per second, and 1080p at up to 120 frames per second. You get smooth footage even when flying fast. The wide-angle lens gives you that classic FPV look with curved edges and an immersive field of view. One of the biggest improvements is the stabilization. The Avata 2 now uses Rocksteady and Horizon Steady. These two systems keep your footage smooth even when the drone is flipping or diving. Horizon Steady can even keep the horizon level during extreme moves. It makes your videos look like they were shot on a gimbal, even though the camera is fixed. This is huge for creators who want action-packed footage without the need for post-editing stabilization. Image quality is excellent. Colors are rich. Exposure is well balanced, and low-light performance is better than before. You can fly at sunset or in shaded areas and still get clean, detailed video. The new sensor and improved processing make a big difference. It's also great for photography. You can take sharp, wide-angle stills that look impressive. DJI also added more smart features. One of them is turtle mode. If you crash and the drone flips over, it can flip itself back upright with a button press. That means less time walking to retrieve your drone and more time flying. There's also emergency brake. If you lose control or get too close to something, pressing the brake button stops the drone instantly and makes it hover. It's a great safety feature. Another nice addition is the return to home feature. The Avata 2 can fly back to its takeoff point with the press of a button or automatically if the signal drops. It uses GPS and onboard sensors to return safely. You also get downward vision sensors and an infrared sensor for precise indoor hovering. The drone holds position well even without GPS, which is perfect for indoor flights. Battery life has improved. 2. You now get up to 23 minutes of flight time on a single charge. That may not sound like a lot, but for FPV drones, it's quite good. And because it charges faster, you spend less time waiting and more time flying. DJI also made the batteries smarter. They track health, charging cycles, and voltage levels, so you know exactly when to recharge or replace. The DJI Fly app adds even more features. You can use it to view your footage, update firmware, adjust settings, or share videos. The app is clean and easy to use. You can even view the camera feed on your phone while someone else flies with the goggles. It's a fun way to let friends watch while you fly. The drone also supports DJI's new Master Shots for FPV. It automates cinematic moves like dives, rolls, fly-throughs, and reveals. You pick the move, and the drone does it while keeping your subject in frame. It's a powerful tool for content creators who want pro-level shots with less effort. There's also improved editing tools in the Lightcut app. It connects wirelessly to the drone and lets you edit videos right from your phone. You can add music, effects, and filters quickly. It's great for social media creators who want to shoot and post without needing a computer. The Avata 2 also includes a better audio capture system. There's now onboard sound recording that lets you hear flight noise, wind, and even your reactions. This adds realism to your videos and is great for YouTubers or vloggers using FPV content. DJI didn't forget about safety. The Avata 2 has geofencing, altitude limits, and no-fly zone alerts. It also checks for firmware updates and warns you of errors or issues before taking off. There's a built-in black box that records flight data, which can be used to review crashes or problems. It's also important to mention how easy it is to start flying. The Avata 2 comes almost ready to go. You charge the battery, pair your goggles and controller, and you're ready. There's a tutorial in the DJI Fly app that walks you through setup and basic flying steps. For beginners, this is extremely helpful. You can fly indoors, outdoors, in parks, or even through obstacle courses. The built-in propeller guards make it safe, and the drone is responsive and quick. You get a real sense of speed, even in small spaces. The goggles make you feel like you're flying through the air. DJI has also released a full Fly More combo for the Avata 2. It includes extra batteries, a charging hub, spare parts, and carrying case. It's worth getting if you want longer sessions and fewer breaks. The new battery charging hub also supports fast charging, which cuts down on downtime. For advanced users, the drone supports manual mode. With the FPV Remote Controller 3, you can unlock full acrobatic flight. That includes dives, rolls, flips, and freestyle flying. It's thrilling and gives experienced pilots full creative freedom. The drone is balanced well, and the motors are strong, giving fast acceleration and sharp turns. Another strong point is how quiet the drone is. Compared to traditional FPV drones, the Avata 2 has a lower pitch sound. It's less annoying and more acceptable for casual flying in public places. This matters if you're flying around people or in residential areas. Durability has also been improved. The outer frame is tougher, and the parts are easy to swap. If you do crash, repairs are simple. DJI even sells replacement parts and offers service plans. That means you can fix it and keep flying without a huge cost. The DJI Avata 2 is a rare mix of fun, performance, and creativity. It's built for FPV flying, but made accessible for everyone. It looks great, flies smooth, records stunning video, and handles crashes well. It's not just a toy, it's a full FPV system in a small, friendly package. For beginners, it's one of the best ways to enter the world of FPV. For pros, it's a lightweight tool for fast-paced creative shots. Whether you're flying for fun, filming for content, or just exploring your world in a new way, the Avata 2 delivers. DJI has once again shown why they're leaders in the drone world. They've taken feedback from users and made the Avata 2 faster, smarter, safer, and more fun. It's a drone that lets you experience flight, not just control it. But that's it for our review of the DJI Avata 2. If you're into FPV or just want to try something new and exciting, this drone is worth checking out. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews and tech updates. See you in the next video.